Modern art. This is now a modern art stream. Eh, 1 sec. The cable. The cable. All right. Okay. Where are we at? We are here. Hello. 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 There we go. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you very much for waiting, for your patience. Gosh. Gosh, oh gosh. What are we doing today? Well, first of all, just want to say thank you to everyone that joined us in yesterday's little road trip stream. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope the sound was okay. I had a quick skip through the VOD just to see how things were, if you could even hear us at all. It seemed pretty good. It seemed okay. A little heavy on the ASMR, but I think it's okay. Maybe in the future I could tweak some, like, maybe there's some sort of audio filters I can apply, because I apply audio filters on this thing, on this microphone right here. But I wonder if I could, or should, apply those audio filters or something similar to the wireless microphones that we use out and about. Might make sense. Might make sense. Who dis? Nictor-Fee. Hey, 50? More like Nictor-50. Thank you very much for the resub. Welcome back.
Load jam, load dance.
Load dance. Thank you. Thank you very much, Nictor-Fee. Okay. Also, yes. Well, that just pisses me off. Because I haven't actually even attempted to fix it yet, and I'm not sure why it works now. I wish it was at least consistent. If it was broken, then...
Spider.
If it was broken, then I could try and figure out why it was broken, but now it just seems to be working all of a sudden.
Reporting in.
No idea. SuperTux.
You can probably also apply the same filters to the audio channel that comes from the phone in OBS.
I should. Although I probably shouldn't just copy and paste the same filters because they might need different settings. But I should spend some time and like do some tests and listen to myself and see how it sounds. And speaking of microphone filters, I gotta fix this one too because this one ain't great either. Especially when I'm like further away from it and it's a bit quieter. Then it's like cuts out like this. Exactly. Thank you for the example. Yes, exactly that. Welcome back, Big White Bear.
We wish you a merry dream. We wish you a merry dream.
Mixing the sounds load lude.
Wobrego.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for the 100 bits. Oh my god. The Jingle Bells song didn't quite work out so well. I'm not sure how it detects which line breaks to include. Maybe it's like syllables? The amount of syllables, maybe? What was that? What? The stupid lights. That was the fastest baby talk I've ever seen. Goo. Efficient. Give that baby a promotion. Thank you very much, everyone. Welcome back. Okay, so seems like the spider is working. So well, we're already out of schedule. That's cool. Fix that. Check that off the list. Well, that was gonna be like half of my stream today. Now what? I'm all in the coding mood. Though, there was that interesting game that Psychomanity brought to my attention about was it replacing the farmer? Is that what it was called? Hey, Ogmugi. Do I like the Bloodhound Gang? I know that one song. You know, having sex like animals. That one's pretty catchy. Though I haven't really heard the rest of their music. And Stephen Alexi just had a promotion 2 weeks ago. Hey! That's how fast Stephen Alexi is. So fast that even is 2 weeks early to the promotion. You're welcome. I will consider that 50% my responsibility that you got that promotion 2 weeks ago because I said you're getting a promotion today. Let's see if this works.
Wagrego, Wagrego, Wagrego. Time for a draw game.
When the life gives you TTs, go with Grego.
Thank you. When life gives you TTs, go with Grego. Words to live by.
Reporting in.
Oh, and the game's called The Farmer Was Replaced. That's what it was. That's what that was. I see.
Gregor broke his dream. It's not what it seems. Spiders everywhere. Only they don't care.
Oh my god! It actually rhymed. That was a perfect Jingle Bells song. For once. For once, it was used perfectly. Thank you for that, Dry Race Girl. Showing us how it's done. Come on, God. Grego sounds like spaghetti sauce. Sounds like someone drinking spaghetti sauce. My favorite drink. I love spaghetti sauce. Gives me that pep. What are we doing? Oh yeah, obviously yesterday's stream. Intense. Drove all the way from Hamilton to Elkin City. Had Denny's. Went to the post box. Unpackaged. What was it called? It's not crochet. What is it? Crochet criminal buns. For Super Tux. Yeah, we didn't have Dennis. We had Denny's. Yoyoto. Denny's. Sounds more like a French fancy way of saying Dennis. We had a table at Denny's. You missed it, Yoyoto, but you'll catch it in the VOD. I'm uploading the YouTube as we speak. Should be out later today. And yeah, it was good. But man, that was a long stream. And I know I was like, I kind of thought, I told you guys like, maybe we might stream maybe the journey home. Maybe. We'll see. See how we feel. And we did not feel. We did not feel at all. It was a long day. So much traffic. And boy, I was pooped. Pooped. But it was a really nice day. There was like, it was gonna be 2.5 hours to drive back. Because there was like a traffic accident and everything. So we decided to just stay in Devonport and have dinner instead. And it was lovely. A lovely time. Turning that traffic jam, into a dinner date. But yeah, it was nice. Streaming traffic would have sped it up. I don't even know if we would have had enough battery to last us the entire journey. Also, it was nighttime by the time we got back. So I don't think you guys would have seen anything anyway. Also, I was I was already asleep and I didn't want that on film. I was having a little nap. But don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. I was very subtle. It was just me, my pillow, my steering wheel. It was sweet. Toast Cokes. Hey. That's what you consider traffic? Wait. Oh, the thing you saw? The thing you saw in yesterday's stream? No. That wasn't traffic. The traffic hadn't hit yet. By the time we were done with our body burying errands, it was like 4:30 p.m. and that was like, oh boy. That was bumper to bumper. Had to go over the bridge. Good lord. Also, hey Exoskeleton, good to see you again. I can't believe we get Jingle Bell technology in my lifetime. It is pretty cool, huh? It's pretty sweet how it turns it into a Jingle Bell rhyme. Drinking acid sauce as the drink. Is that why you wake up with sauce all over your face? That's a different kind of sauce, Texan Citizen. Oh, Janakis, hydrate. Oh, poor Janakis. No hydrate function. That's right. I'll re-enable it because we had to turn it off for the IRL stream. There you go. Also, I still got 2 spiders from when the bot was broken yesterday. That's the name right here. Technically true, but wait, wouldn't that be your first spider? Wouldn't that be your first spider? I can't remember now. Do you really want your first spider to be a technicality? Oh, since the reset. Oof. Whoops. Well, in that case, let me... Oh, I think I have to do spiders, plural. Spiders. Oh, it didn't even respond to you. Wait, try it again. Try it again. That's the name right here. Oh, no. People stopped playing yesterday because we knew it was all broken. Yeah, it was strange. I've never seen it break like that before. And of course, it had to be on the day I was away from the computer. Wait, that's the name right here. You try the spiders command again, because it's weirding me out that it didn't work for you again that time. But everyone else's spiders command works. Oh wait, no. Oh no, it did come up. Oh, it did work. I just didn't see it. Oh god. Maybe it's a good thing we're not coding. Or should I code? I don't know. What am I doing? Okay. I'm gonna add you. I'm gonna give you your spiders. Because I feel bad. I will do this for you. Because I'm such a great guy. I'm the guy that, you know, children will point at me and be like, that's the Spider-Man. He gives out spiders if you ask him nicely. Ask me kindly and I will pay you back in spider kind. I am very curious as to how you code this. I have been coding my own project. Totes Cokes. What language is this all in? Last I knew it was some auto hotkey mess. Oh no, we don't use auto hotkey anymore. That's long gone. Now this is I mean, not all of it is programming, but when I do squeezing bobbers. But when I do the programming stuff, it's C#. C# in StreamerBot. That's the name right here. I'm trying to load the list of persistent global variables for everyone, and because I'm such a popular streamer, it is taking its sweet time loading the whole list. In fact, it's kind of breaking my StreamerBot. Oh, oh no, here it is. I just minimized. I thought it broke. Okay, never mind. It was just minimized. That's the name right here. Let's see. What do you got here? Spider count 0. Okay, I'm gonna change that to secret number. Try now. I moved to Unity or Unreal, haven't you? Oh no, I dabbled with the idea and then I quickly dabbled out. No. Too intense. The StreamerBot is what I use, and that uses C#. Toadskokes, I won't be of much help then. I do all mine in JavaScript, and in my computer programming courses, I'll maybe learn C++. But it's all the same, isn't it, really? Isn't it all the same? Isn't it kind of like... Actually, I don't even know. I don't know the differences between C++ and C#. I know C# is like the newer one. That's about it. But I think conceptually, it's all the same. There's a few different typos. Why are you looking at me? Oh, okay. I was just looking at you. Yeah, I was looking at Exocomics through the window, and you're just standing there staring into the, looking at her through the glass. She doesn't know how much time has passed since she stopped walking and started staring at the blank wall, feeling so small and... Whatever, get the hell out of here. Distracting me. C# is just C++++ with the pluses arranged in a square. That is pretty cool, huh? It blew my mind the first time I caught on to that. Oof, God, my wrists are snapping left and right. Let me show you the replacing farmer thing on the topic of coding. It looks kind of interesting. It's kind of neat because it's like learning, but they make it fun. Or at least that's what it seems to be like on the package. Let's see here. Farmer replace. Farmer, why is that not coming up? Farmer was replaced. Weird. Farmer replaced does not come up in Steam. Only farmer was replaced. And if I open up my Steam here, and I go green screen and do this, so this is the game. Very minimal, and looks like this. So like, you gotta like type in code and stuff, and then you have to like make it do things. Unlock features. Then you make it do more things faster. Look at that. I don't think it's not a real programming language, but it's like real enough. Just to give you the basic idea. And look at that. It would be putting my brain to the test. It's the absolute test. Whoa, spoilers! I don't want to look at any cheats here. It's based on Python. Looks like Python, which would be real. Python paste. Okay. Python based. Not Python paste. Buy some paste. Yeah, replacing farmers with robots. Gotta love it. And look at that. I like the color scheme. The visual style looks satisfying. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna make this democratic because I'm gonna let you guys decide. Does this look like something you would be interested in watching me do right now? Let's see. Let me do a little poll. New poll. Do we play The Farmer Was Replaced? Oh, Jesus. I can't type today. Was replaced. Game. Or nah. Okay, you got 1 minute to decide. Oh yeah, I gotta also fix the Draw Them Words counter. The thing is, I don't know how many Draw Them Words we're up to as well. Could someone tell me how many Draw Them Words we actually have to do? because I've forgotten. I might need to look over the VOD of a previous stream and see what numbers I was shouting out. The 69 Dwarven words, interest included. A lot of interest. Too much interest. It said 30 yesterday. Yeah, the 30 yesterday was just a number I threw out there. God, it's gonna be 50-50, isn't it? Really, these 50-50 polls for the trolling memes really is just making the last person be the kingmaker. You got one person that's waiting to save their vote for the very last second, and then they basically get to decide. And decided they have. Oh my god. Intense. It was 55% to no. Someone wanted to make it 50, I ruined it. I wanted to see it. Oh my god. Basically, Yodo said no. So, instead, we're gonna play the game. Let's play the game. Thank you for reminding me that I should never use polls to decide anything, because it's wasted on you. Democracy is wasted on you guys. Let's do this. I'm gonna appeal to my programming crowd. And let's go. I can't censor this. Oh no, okay. Let me just hide this for a second. You said yes, but you wanted no? That cancels out? Well, Strike, you dug your own grave. I don't know what you're digging or doing. This is why we can't have voted things. Can't trust you guys. Hold on. Oh man, buying a game that's not even on sale. Oh my goodness.
That looks like a money shot for a nature documentary.
Here we go. But it makes me feel good that it's like the developer is just someone's name. That's how you know you're supporting a true indie game. Here we go. Here we go. A business expense. It is for sure. Take that, IRS. Actually, no, I don't even know if it's called IRS here in New Zealand. It's called something else. Inland Revenue. IRD department, yeah. Yes, here we go. Music on as well. Installing. Okay, here we go. Done. How fast? Imagine if this was like, I don't know, 15 years ago, and I had to run down to the local video game store and hope that they had it on the shelf somewhere. Could you imagine? Hey, Words Lego. How's it going? Words Lego, you have arrived to the perfect stream. Perfect for you, Words Lego. We're about to play The Farmer Was Replaced. No, yes, The Farmer Was Replaced. It's a coding game. And I get to finally show off my coding abilities. Hold on. Let me just actually make this appear. Hey, Leroyski. 60 month. LOLO. How are you doing? Just make this a little bit. Gosh. Okay, that looks pretty good. I wonder if it could just be full screen, but Whatever. Control S. Okay. Okay. All right. That looks pretty good. Okay. Oh, I gotta change the Twitch category. Farmer was replaced. This game has 55 followers on Twitch. Which means I'm gonna be the #1 stream in this category. Hell yeah. Showing off my coding skills. My elite coding skills. Alright. The game has controls other than write code. A, type letter A in code. B, type letter B in code. I don't know. I think you can. I think it just controls the camera or something. I think that's what it is. Let's play. Okay, getting started. Getting started. First, drink some more coffee. This window contains information about everything in the game. You can move windows around by dragging and dropping the gray part of... Okay. Well, sweet. I didn't realize it, but I seems to be a professional programmer. I don't even need to read this. Go to the first program by clicking it. Okay, whatever. Oh boy, there's a lot. Oh boy, a lot of text here. Text editor. Okay, well, I don't need it. I think I do need to read this. Okay, fast. Programming is done in code windows. Each code window corresponds to a text file containing code. You can rename the file by clicking the name of the window. The code can be edited like in any text editor as long as it's not running. You can execute the program directly by pressing the green play button in the code window. There's 2 buttons. Oh, 1 step. Starts and stops. Okay. You can create more code files using the plus button. Oh, yeah, up there. You can dock a window to another window by dragging it onto it. You will notice that once you start typing a simple code completion window, Jesus Christ, press tab to insert the completion, use the arrow keys. Yeah, easy peasy. Don't worry if this is your first time programming. It's not. If you already know. Currently, the only statements are harvest and do a flip. These are function calls. You execute it. Use it. Okay. Okay. Okay, well, whatever. Let's begin. Striker's already falling asleep. Have a good night. Have a good night and enjoy your eating snacks in bed. Take care. So first of all, let's go do a flip. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's full screen. I see. Okay. I was trying to see if there's a hotkey to push play, but oh, we're not doing semicolons. Oh no, there's no semicolon in Python. Oh, okay. I was too advanced. Okay, I see. Coding for babies. And look at it. You push this button and it does a cool flip. 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 Okay. Harvest. Oh my goodness, I can't type. Sweet. You play and harvests. Sweet. So we'll go to the unlocks. Unlock a loop. Unlocks a simple while loop. For 5 harvests. Okay. How's the, by the way, visually, you guys watching the stream, is this big enough? Can you actually read the text? Am I in an annoying position? Is this distracting? Or what? Let me know. If you have problems typing, you can probably use the tab key for auto-completion. Oh yes. Pro move. Text could be bigger. I think I saw a UI size. Oh. It's already at the biggest. But I wonder if I could just do that as well. Makes it a little bit larger. Yeah. Yeah. That looks fine. Play some music in the background. Okay, a while loop. You have unlocked the while loop. Sweet. Oh, I have 41 golden words left. Thank you, Yodo. Let me just, Is it 41 or is it 40? Because we did one yesterday. I'm gonna go with... Fuck. I did 42. 40. Yeah. Cool. Thank you, Yodo. You have unlocked the while loop. And the value is true and false. The while loop keeps executing the loop body as long as the condition is true. So the while condition equals :loop body. Don't worry about creating infinite loops. The delays in the execution will prevent the programming from freezing. For beginners, skip that part. Skip that part here. This allows you to have it would be nice to have another 3 times. Okay, so anyway, the loop then executes the code inside the loop until the condition is false. The while loop looks like this. While the condition, then you loop, loop, loop. Where you have to replace the condition with a Boolean value. Boolean means true or false, FYI, I'm pretty sure. Yes, 1, 0. And hashtag loop body with whatever you want to do in the loop. There are 2 constant Boolean values available. Constants are values that never change during the program because they are constantly the same thing. To create a constant Boolean value that is always true, you can simply write true. Write false as a constant Boolean value that will always be false. So you could either write while false, do a flip, or while true, do a flip. The first will never do a flip, and the second will do flips forever. Normally creating an infinite loop is a bad idea, but in this game there are delays, so whatever. Okay. And then also make it indented and make it look nice. Okay, so let's do this. So while true. While something is true. Oh, it's already doing the indent for me. Harvest. Play. Although if I say while false, should it not just do the same thing? Okay, I don't really know what it's what is true and what is false. Sounds almost very introspective. So while true, harvest. Excellent. And that's going to keep us getting us more hay. And that was the game. I mean, that's a pretty damn good, efficient farm. I think the farmer has been replaced successfully with this. Could it get any better than this? Does it need to be any better than this? This is efficient. Oh, also, I have a feeling that this is probably a little smidge on the loud side. I'm gonna just lower this volume a bit because we don't need to hear the harvest in full HD surround sound. Do a flip every harvest. Do a harvest and then do a flip. Yeah, now we're talking. Farming with style. Dry Rays Go. I went back a few streams to find where a person used the Draw the Moist command and then counted down through the drawings channel. I have 45 remaining? Oh man. 45 versus Yoda's 41? Okay, well sorry Yoda, I'm gonna have to side with the mod here. $45. Thank you very much. Alright. Let's see, what else can we unlock? Speed and grass. Speed increases the speed of the drone. Makes sense. Grass unlocks the yield of grass. Well, the yield of hay, no? Isn't this called hay? Obtained by cutting grass? Whatever. Let's unlock speed. Oh boy. Hey, Super Ducks. Congrats on that spider. Oh boy. Speed upgrade. Execution speed has been doubled. This problem is that the drone now harvests faster than the grass can grow, resulting in no harvest at all. To deal with this, if branches and the can harvest function can now be are now unlocked. Checking before harvesting. So far we have only had true and false conditions, which is of course not very useful with if. The new function canHarvest can provide a better condition. CanHarvest returns true if the plant under the drone can be harvested and false otherwise. So if canHarvest, do something. Alright. Okay, well, if canHarvest colon, that's strange. Is colon a Python thing? I guess they don't want to do with the squiggly parentheses and stuff. That's a bit extreme. If canHarvest, then harvest. If you can. If you can, do, rather. Hold on, did I just... No, hold on. While true... Boom. Am I nailing this? Hold on, if I make this smaller... Does it make the... Oh no, it doesn't. It just scales it. Never mind. Hey, Klaus. Python has indentations and colons instead of curly braces and semicolon. I see. This still seems quite loud. Yeah, okay. Oh wait, what happens when the above code runs? The if runs, canHarvest call, canHarvest does its thing, canHarvest returns true or false. The statement is now if true or if false. The drone does a flip if it can harvest. Wait, am I not doing this right? Oh no, so far I'm nailing it? Okay, good. Just the fact that I wasn't really 100% sure is not a good sign. Okay, well, let's see, what else do we unlock? Let's unlock... Oh, trees. Oh, I see, I can move with my mouse. Do we want to go this way or do we want to go this way? I hate deciding this stuff. Honestly, like, in every RPG game, talent trees and stuff, I get overwhelmed. I wanted to just be one single line. Remove all player decisions. Let's get some more grass for every time, huh? Do that. Sweet. Oh, you can also upgrade... Oh, I see. The brown ones mean we can increase it. Green means unlock. Expand the farm and unlocks movement. Hell yeah. Planting. Oh gosh. Okay. Look at this. We got 3 cubes now with our farm. Expand 1. Your farm has grown. The space is not much use if you can't move the drone, so there is a new function called move. That moves the drone. Makes sense. Move requires that you specify the direction in which you want the drone to move. There are 4 new constants for this. North, east, southwest. Yeah. For example, move north will move the drone 1 square to the north. If you move over to the edge of the farm, the drone will be moved to the other side of the farm. Pac-Man rules. The following example code will keep moving north and wrap back to the start when it reaches the edge of the farm. While true, move north. While true, move north. Okay, well, in my current code, which I'll move over here, while true, and I feel like I have something up. I don't... How does... What is true again? If canHarvest... Or returns true if there is an entity under the drone that is ready to be harvested, false, otherwise takes... Oh gosh. Okay, well, I wanted to harvest and then I wanted to move north. True is true forever? Okay, well then this is kind of redundant right now. It just kind of does it No, that's fine. That's pretty good. Cool. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that so far. Let's... Ooh. Operators. Oh, Christ. Plant. Okay, I'm gonna unlock plant. Grass is nice because it grows automatically. All other plants have to be planted with the plant function. The only plant you can plant right now is a bush. You can pass the type of plant you want to plant to the function like this. Plant entities.bush. This will plant a bush under the drone. Call clear to reset the farm to all grass and reset the drone position. Do you want it to always move north or only when it's harvested? While true basically just means loop forever. The outer while true just makes it run forever instead of you needing to click the play button all the time. So I want it to always move north. Well, I guess it only moves north once it harvests, right? Because if it can harvest, then you harvest and move north. Otherwise, you don't move north. So this is pretty perfect for what this is, right? I feel like I don't even need plants. I'm pretty happy with grass. I wasted an unlock. Though to upgrade things, I need these logs. Not really sure how to get those. Operators. Which way should I go? It could also move north if it can harvest and check if it can harvest somewhere else. Oh, Super Tux, now you're talking. Now you're sounding smart. Oh, I'm scared to click. Every time I click one of those buttons, it's just like a big thing to read. Oh dear. I think I'm not sure if I'm progressing in the correct way here. The functions get pos x and get pos y return the current x and y position of the drone. At the start position, they row 0. If the x position increases by 1 every tile towards east, and the y position increases by 1 every tile towards north. Num items. Oh dear. Why would I need to know all this? I'm happy with this little farm setup I've got going on. I'm making bank. Fat stacks of hay. I think I need to unlock something. Create a new... Oh, Christ. I haven't even decided... I've never even tried to make a new code window. Well, should I just upgrade... Oh, no, I can't. I need... Oh, dear God. Wait, hold on. No. I need logs to upgrade this stuff here. But I can't... I guess I need to plant logs. Oh, no, bushes? Do bushes make logs? You could have tried to plant a bush. Okay, yes. Let's, pause that for a second here, and, okay, here we go. Let's see. Let's say... Can I cut this? Cool. I'm gonna just try something here. I'm gonna say plant entities bush go. Alright, so it's slowly growing. I see. Then harvest. I'm just curious to see what this is. Okay, the bush makes a log. Bushes make logs? I thought trees do. Okay. So, logs look pretty good. I don't think do we even need hay anymore? Oh, we do. Oh, we do need hay as well. We need hay and logs. Okay, okay, well, let's see. What do we want to do? We want to eventually expand the thing to 3x3, so we'll need more logs. So what we want to do is We want to plant entities, bush. What we want to do, and then we wanted to move on north. Move. What was it? Move north. Okay, it'll plant. It'll move. It'll plant. It'll move. Actually, it won't because it's not looping right now. Let's go while true, and you do this. Okay, so right now this will be plant, move, plant, move, plant, move, and then it can't do anything because they're still growing. I'm not even harvesting. Plant, move north. Okay, well, true. If oh no, we don't have this. That's right. We need the operators. Comparison, logic. Oh no, we need senses. Oh, oh Christ. If can harvest, then harvest. Else? Do we have else? Else. Harvest? Oh god. Is it too advanced? I know. How did this ramp up so suddenly? Else. Okay, so okay, here we go. Let's see. Can I harvest something? Yes, harvest and then plant the bush. If not, if it can't harvest, then just move. Okay, here we go. Nope, error. There isn't enough indentation here. There must be more indentation after colon than before. Oh, let's see. Okay. Oh god, the error is getting bigger. Trying to check if the function can harvest is true. This is the function object itself, not the function's return value. Did you mean to call the function with the call operator? Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Uh-huh. If can harvest. Hey, look at that. So he skips it, he keeps moving north. Can harvest, can harvest. The, I don't really need the else. Oh, because if it can't harvest, it'll just run through these anyway, right? Okay, so if I get rid of the else, make it more efficient. Oh, because it'll just stop it from moving if it doesn't need to be moving, I guess. Oh, no. My one's better because now it's like, if one of them is ready to be harvested, but he's stuck on the one that isn't ready yet, then he can't be moving. Because this way, he's constantly moving, constantly checking, getting ready to swipe when the bush is hot, you know? Unindent the move! You can just move. Oh, okay, here we go. You can just move the move below the if unindented and it'll be executed unrelated to the if. Okay, I think the problem is I'm so used to C#. Changing over the Python or Python-esque stuff is throwing me off. So if indentation is important. If this. Okay, here we go. I see now. The indentation basically acts as the squiggly brackets. How much do you want us to backseed, by the way? Probably an okay amount, I'd say. Like, a little backseeding is fine. More so than, like, any other kind of game. Like, I guess, as long as it's not just, like, type this code. But if it's more like, hey, did you know if you get rid of the indentation, it'll still do it? Like that. Hey, Dak. Welcome, Dak. How you doing? The indentation replaces the curly braces. I see. Okay. Okay, now, okay, I'm understanding this now. This is the one game you can't backseat in. Texan Citizen. The one game you can back out of. Is that what you mean instead? Hey, Strongville. 40 months. Hey. Strongville, very strong. Thank you very much. Okay. Clear to reset the farm to old grass and reset the drone position. Okay, wait. So I think we're good here. I think this is looking pretty sweet. Now, we can... Let's expand. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this. Your farm is expanded again. Hooray! Now the tiles are no longer in a nice row, so you need to find a way to traverse a square grid. With the while loop, this is not possible. Until you unlock senses and operators. It is time to introduce the for loop. You can read all about the for loop on the for loop page, but for now you will only need to repeat code a fixed number of times. Do in flips. For I in range 5, do a flip. Range n creates a range of numbers from 0 to n minus 1, which has n elements in it. The for loop runs its loop body once for every element in the sequence. In this example, do a flip will be called 5 times. For I in range 5, do a flip. The function get a world size is also available now. It returns the side length of your farm. The way you can write code that won't break with the next expand upgrade. For I in range get world size, harvest, move north. This example harvests 1 column of the farm for any size. I see. If you're stuck on trying to figure out how to move the drone around the farm, see the hint below. We don't need no goddamn hints. Actually, I need to keep this up. Keep this up because I don't remember the other stuff. We can do things. So right now the problem is just going in this little thingamajiggy. So we need to pause this for a second. Returns the side length of your farm. Oh, I guess the farm will always be a square, so we don't have to worry about different sizes of, like, oblong rectangles and things. So, for I in range... Okay. Okay, I'm thinking of something here. Strongville, I never expected to see coding on the stream. I mean, I've done some coding before for the StreamerBot stuff, but never have I ever tried to use the coding for good, for farming. You're going to bed in like 5 minutes, Dak? Maybe sooner because I've just seen what this game is and coding scares me. I think you've misspelled bores you. Have a good night though, Dak. Yeah, this is a game for smarties only. Remember the flash coding? Oh god, don't remind me, Klaus. It's so boring, it's scary. Okay, alright, let's see. For I in range... But why? Why would I even need to do this? Because right now it just goes off the side and comes back the other way. You know? I could just move north and then move east. And it goes like diagonal. Oh wait, hold on. It needs to do 1 north, 1 east, and then it'll get all of them diagonally. Right? Psycho Man, hey Gregor, since you're so good at coding now, can you do my class assignment for me? Just leave it on my desk. I'll have it done. I'll make it so good that you won't need to go to class any longer, because they would have kicked you out. How do you know when it's at the end? You mean like at the end of my rope here? When I know it's at the end of the farm? Wait, why did this change now? Oh gosh. Why is this doing a different thing now? Oh, it depends on when I stopped, because it might have not done the north and east together. I see. It looks confusing now. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. Goes diagonally. Okay. Okay. You know how some streamers have like a heart rate monitor for when they play scary games? I think that would have been useful for this one. Starting to freak out here. Okay, what the hell am I trying even to do? So, okay, I think the problem is I don't know what I want to do, which is the main problem of my life generally, but specifically for this game as well. We wanted to harvest all 9 squares and plant trees if they're not ready to harvest, I think. So what will it do? It'll go through one, it'll go up, up, and then once it reaches... Okay, here we go. Okay, hold on. Okay, I got an idea. Get world size. So get world size here would be 3, because it's going to be 3 long on the side. So if it reaches number 3, if I becomes 3, then you move it over 1. So it goes like 2, then the next row, and the next row, okay? So I'm gonna remove everything. Does print work? No. Okay. For I in range get world size harvest move no. I know I'm just typing what it says on the thing over there, but just so I get an idea of what's going on. Okay. Then when it reaches if I is get world size, then move east. There must be a colon at the beginning of every code. Oh, like this? That is not a function. Okay, this if I equals operators. We don't have operators yet. Okay, let's get operators. Okay. All numbers in the game are floating point numbers, so all arithmetic operators are floating point operators. Of course. I don't even know what that means. Floating means it is above water? Above sea level? I don't know. I think it means full numbers? So it's not like decimals? I think. Operators allow you to compare, modify, and combine values. So you got plus, minus, multiply, divide. What is a double divide? Percentage and double star? And you got comparisons, if it's greater than, equals, whatever. Uh-huh. Multiplication. Oh, so double slash does the same thing as divide, but the result is floored. rounded down to the next integer. Oh no, oh, okay, I got it wrong. Floating does mean decimal. Integers are the full numbers. Okay. All right, so 5 divided, double divide by 2 evaluates the 2 instead of 2.5. I see. Percentage is the modulo operator, also known as the remainder operator. It essentially divides the two numbers. I mean, for a programmer, reading this must be like reading a, you know, C is for cat. A cat says meow. Is it? Tell me, Psychomanity, Supertux, is this what it's like? Is this what it's like? A is for apple. Apples are red. Oh. Percentage sign is the modulo operator. Known as the remainder operator. It essentially divides the two numbers and then returns the remainders. So you can divide. You can also think of it as repeatedly subtracting the right number from the left number until the remainder is less than the right number. So 4 modulo 2 is 0. Oh, I see. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Wait. How many 2's are in 4? 2, exactly. 0 is left over. How many 2's are in 5? Well, it doesn't matter, but there is still 1 left over. Okay. I think I'm getting it. Thank you, Kyoto. By the way, you don't need an if for when it reaches the end. The loop will end anyway after the number of loops, so you can unindent code after the loop again, and it'll run after the loop finished. Also, I will never be 3. It'll be 0, 1, and 2. I see. Because it starts from 0. I see. Okay, hold on. I see. Okay. Okay, what? By the way, you don't need an if for when it reaches the end. The loop will end anyway after the number of loops, so you can unindent code after the loop again. Oh. Oops. You mean like... Wait, like this? Wait, hold on. The loop will end anyway for I in range. So you can indent the code after the loop again, and it'll run after the loop. I'm just gonna look over here now. Star star is the power operator. 2 star star 2 evaluates to 4. Minus 5. What? Power up. There's no explanation for this? I like how they just say it's the everything else gets like a paragraph. This is just star star is the power operator. Do people know what power operators are? Because I've never seen this before in my life. This is just math. It explains the coding, not the math. Hey, I guess I must have been sick at home that day they taught us about power operators. Oh, to the power of. Oh, power operator. Oh, to the power of. Okay, all right. 2 to the power of 2. 2 with the little 2 on in the corner. I see, Stephen Lexi. Thank you very much. It's the little number. To the power of. Okay. So 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2. Minus 5 to the power of 3 is minus 5 times minus 5 times minus 5. And that's a whole lot of minus 5s. I see. I'm getting there. And then you can check if it's the same or if it's not the same. Or rather, if it's true or not. Entities of Bush. Not equals entities of Bush is false. Because it is equals. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Okay. All right. So if I equals 3, or actually 2, because if it's 0, 1, and 2, then move east.
Is this emote the mascot for today's stream? Glitch Cat.
Glitch Cat. Glitch Cat's looking way too cool. Psychomanity, the pewter one, cute. That's much more appropriate. Cool Cat looks too cool, calm, and collected. Also, hello, Cirisi. Wait, what did I say? Trying to use equals on the function getWorldSize. This is bad. This is the function object itself, not the function's return value. Did you mean to call the function with the call operator? Oh, I see. So if it's like, oh wait, hold on. Hold on. If I get world size. Oh wait, no, I did that before and it didn't work. That's right. I went if I equals get world size. Still not a function. For I guess get world size. Wait. Wait, wait, hold on. Have we even unlocked senses? Oh boy. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Okay, hold on. Let's get rid of this. Okay, hold on. The drone can see now. The functions get position X and Y. At the start position, they are both at 0. If the X position increases by 1 every tile towards east, num items returns how many of an item you have. For example, num items hay returns how much hay you have. Get entity type and get ground type. Return the type of the entity of ground that is under the drone. None is also unlocked. None is a value that represents that there is no value. For example, a function that has no return statement will actually return none. Get entity type returns none if there's no entity under the drone. Okay, hold on. I got an idea. If get plus x is get world size, then move east. Doesn't take any arguments. Oh, wait, hold on. Equals. Why isn't it moving east? If get pos x equals get world size, let's try west. It's not. The position is probably 2 as well. Okay, well, let's get rid of this world size thing. If get position x equals 2. Oops. So this is if it's this is the first one's 0, 1, 2. So if we're on column 2, move east, which is actually west because it's going to go off the screen. Hey, look at me go. Okay. But yeah, we need to have a loop. So while true, and then I have to do this, and then I have to do this. Okay. I in range, get world size, harvest north, move north. What does the I mean again? For I in range 5. Why do I need I? For I in range. Why would you ever use I again? I'm gonna show a hint. There are, of course, several ways to move around the farm. I hate the, of course. Of course. There are, of course, several ways. It's, what is it? It's something. It's doing something to me. It's smug. Smugness. Or, patronizing. What we're looking for is a way to traverse it in a systematic way that won't break when the farm grows again. A systematic way to get to every place in the farm would be to repeat the following 2 steps forever. Move north until it wraps back, move east. For eye and range, get world size. It'd be helpful to turn this idea into code. I mean, that's just that again, isn't it? For eye and range, get world size. Harvest. Then you move north. And then if the oh yeah, if position, oh gosh, if on a position if position Y equals 2. Wait, Y is this way, X is this way. So if the position is at the bottom, shouldn't it go to the east? Let's see. I'm gonna just go 0. 0 always exists. Like why does position Y is never 0? How is that true? Like it's clicking this thing. You can see it highlighting. But when does it do that? Oh, it's doing it all the time. It's random. It only checks the position every 3 loops. Oh. Well, then if I indent it, it'll do it every time, no? Hey, look at that. Look at that. Look at me go. I think I don't know. I can't feel I can't feel too proud because it still feels like I somehow fell into this somewhat convenient solution, but it doesn't feel like I've nailed it. You know, this doesn't feel like, I don't know, NASA quality coding here. Not yet. Those pesky farmers still have their jobs. Stephen Lexi gotta move to bed now. Gonna move north, northeast. Harvest, gonna do a flip. You gonna do a harvest in bed? Have a good one. Have a good one, Stephen Deluxy. Take care. And Akubo, I'm back. Wait, you need to actually code in this game? Yes. It's like, it's all about coding. But it comes with fancy graphics, so it's fun. It's fun to learn. Now try the solution with removing the if and move the move east 2 times to the left, and it should do more or less the same with less code. For some reason, as I was reading that, my kidney just spasmed out a little bit. Kind of ached. Try the solution with removing the if and removing the if. Remove the if. And move the move east 2 times to the left. Okay. So remove that, and then So, okay, so this 4 thing, it'll keep doing the 4 thing until it finishes its range, which is 3, or whatever, 2, whatever the grid is. And then it'll do this. And then it'll loop. Okay, now, okay. Understanding. I think I'm getting this. Humanity. If stream boring equals true, go to bed. Else subscribe. That should be the stream title. Oh, also. Still more efficient to harvest on the way down, though. I think you're right. I think it kind of weirds me out that it goes up, right? I like down. Down looks better. And if I do the show possible solution, J. For I in range, for J in range. For J in range, do a flip on every tile. Do a flip, move north, move east. Why J? What is J? J sucks. They use an out of for a loop instead of your while true. Oh, they don't even have the while true. I see. While true doesn't sound like good code. Yoda, congrats on that, Spider. Arbitrary names. For J in range, get world size. I in range. Their possible solution is just do it once for the whole field. Oh, theirs doesn't even loop. I see. It'll just do it once. Okay, I get you. Mine's still better. Mine's still better. It's kind of weird. It kind of starts in the middle and then goes up. Sometimes. I don't know. It's got a strange pattern going on. Alright, let's close this one. Okay, we don't actually want to harvest. We wanted to plant. What was it? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh gosh. I and J are just arbitrary variable names of the loops, and most programmers use I for their first loop, and if they nest loops, they use the next character in the alphabet. That's interesting. Supertext, do you know why they start with I and not just A or something? Is it because A is like a hyperlink? Those variables that are inside of loops default to starting at 0, so basically each loop it counts up until it equals in range value. I see. Oh, I because of integer. Oh. Integer, and then J is ginteger. Kinteger. Linteger. Okay. Now what do I want to do? What do I want it to do next? I wanted to carrots. Variables. Till the soil and plant carrots. You always thought I was for iteration? I for index? Oh. I for idiot? What do I want? Well, let's get rid of, let's start making some oh, I can zoom out. Interesting. Let's make some more bushes. So if can harvest. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh gosh. If can harvest is true, then harvest. Otherwise, plant entities bush, then move south. I am a farming god. I don't like its movement, though. It's strange. Doesn't look satisfying. Ideally, I think it would be like, you know? But I guess that doesn't matter. Where it's Lego, you might find it easier to visualize if you name your variables row and column versus I and J. Oh! Oh, is that what they were going for with I and J before? Oh, oops, I don't have it here anymore. Oh, you can actually just type whatever you want. Oh, look at that! It even tells me what it is. Oh, not anymore. Oh, because it has to be running. I equals 1. Wait, why is I equal 1? Oh, now 0. Oh, I guess it depends on what it is right now in that loop. Interesting. If I type row, it still works. But technically it's not a row, it's a column. Although I don't know how to spell a column, and that kind of confuses me. I'm going to keep it I for now. I'll be like the pro programmers. Let's make something fast. Speed up the drone. Look how fast he goes now. So if he can't harvest, he plants. If he can harvest, he harvests and then plants. I mean, that's pretty sweet. The movement is just because if it's starting position where you last cancelled it. I see. He always plants. Yeah, he always plants. Always plants. Okay. Happy with that. What else would we want to do? I guess carrots. Before you plant carrots or plant carrots, you have to do 2 new things. First, carrots can only grow on tilled soil. To till the soil, simply call till. Calling till again will change it back to grounds. Turf. Grounds.turf. The second new feature is that carrots need seeds to grow. You can buy carrot seeds with the new trade function. You have to pass an item type to trade like this. Trade items.carrot _ seed. If the item can be bought, then it will be bought with this. You can see the cost of any items in its tooltip. The tooltip appears when you mouse over the item itself or the name in the code. I guess a smarter farmer would, like, still yield hay, wood, and now carrots as well. Not just exclusively one type. I'm not really sure how I would even, or why I should even bother with that. Maybe I should just, you know, change this text to be whatever I need. The complexity rises. It's not farming complexity combined with what? It's not farming complexity combined with coding complexity. What? Even that sentence is complex. Too complex for me to read right now. Let's see. Well, okay, let's see. We needed to sense if the ground is tilled, I wanted to plant carrot seeds. tilled. Oh, I can make this smaller. Interesting. I can have this here. I can have this here. Okay. Oh, God. Till. 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 What do I want to do? If ground type. Wait, what's an entity? Entity type, ground type. Oh, there's different grounds in the future, maybe? They're not just ground. Oh no, ground's turf. I see, I see, I see. Okay, okay. Well, if the ground is turf, then plant carrots. Okay, so we start off with if get entity type. Oh no, get ground type, sorry. Equals entity. Oh no. Grounds. Oh geez. Why isn't it doing the autocomplete? Ground, it's given up on me. Grounds turf. Then plant entities dot carrots. Otherwise, plant bush. Error, there must be a colon at the beginning of every code block. Oh, whoops. Okay, so this should have no change because nothing is tilled. Cool. Can you make functions yet? The whole thing is a function? I guess technically I could make another window here. Ooh. And then call that? Oh, I see. Ooh. I see, I see. Okay, well, we'll get into that. We'll get into this. Can't just do it all in one big window. That would be for noobs. Coding noobs. Okay, so if it can harvest, harvest. Otherwise, if it's tilled, plant the carrots. And if it's not tilled, plants bush. Then it moves. How do I decide when to till something? Let's just try tilling everything. Wait, I'm planting bushes in the tilled soil? Wait, I have no carrots. I need to... I have to buy carrot seeds? Right, I don't have seed. I need seed. Toads Coax, you off? Board game night. Hey, sounds fun. Have a good one. And hey, congrats, Klaus, on that spider. And till next time. Good luck. Carrots need seeds to grow. You can buy carrot seeds. How much does a carrot seed cost anyway? Can I even know how much? Where's the market? Do I go over here? Oh, carrots. Oh no, that's just carrots again. Back. Had to debug. Debug something flying around. I have no carrots. I have no carrot seed. Trade. One wood and one hay is one seed of a carrot. Damn, these carrots are expensive. Okay, well, before we plant a carrot, we need to buy a carrot. So trade items, carrot, seed, and plant. I'm getting carrot seeds, but I'm not seeing any carrots. It's not planting any carrots for some reason. Hold on. Why? Let me get rid of this. It's amazing how art streams fly by and the stream has only been for an hour and a half. I seriously thought we must be getting close to ending soon, and I checked the time. Time, well, as they say, time flies by when you're having fun. Damn bugs. And 5 pairs of socks. Making a packing list. Wrong tab. 5 pairs of socks? Damn. A packing list? What? To move somewhere for the rest of your life? I don't need more than 5 pairs of socks for that would be my whole life sock supply. But the thing is, I have like 20 pairs of socks, but I only go through the same like 4 or 5 pairs. The other 15 pairs of socks just stay at the bottom of the drawer. Most of them are like Christmas orientated anyway, so I mean, it doesn't stop me. Sometimes I like to wear a Christmas sock out and about, you know, in the middle of July, because I'm a contrarian like that. Why is this not building carrots? If ground type is turf, make carrots happen here. What is happening here? It's not using any seeds. It is building carrots? Where? Show me carrots. I see no carrots. It's not using any seeds. Oh, I'm overriding it. Oh, hold on. Oh. If I plant something on top. Oh, okay. I see. I'm overriding it. I'm overriding it. Which is lucky I'm not wasting the seeds. Hmm. Is there a can plant? No, that doesn't make sense, I guess. If can harvest, harvest. This is get entity type. Okay, you know what? I need to figure out what is the entity type, what is the ground type. Entity type is like bushes and carrots and stuff. Ground types is like turf or nothing. I need to know what the hell's going on. So, first I'll be like, yo, if get entity type. No. Oh gosh. If the type, entity type equals entities bush, no. Oh! Ground turf should be ground soil? Ground turf. Ground turf, ground soil. Oh yeah, soil is... What's turf? Turf is the brown one. Oh no, turf is grass! Oh! Oh, whoops! Soil. Oh my god. Thank you very much, Leroy Ski. What an idiot.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Soil. Soil. Here we go. Carrots. I thought turf was the brown one, but look at this. Now we've got things happening. Alternates between bushes and carrots. Excellent. Although now I have no more carrots. Now it's just planting bushes. Yeah, now we're cooking with carrots. I need another thingamajiggy. If items.carrotseed equals 0, then trade items.carrotseed. Ah, I always forget the colon. So now, if I'm ever low on carrot seed, it's not. Why is it not trading? Trade. Did you know carrots make your eyesight better? Nice try, British government. You got 1,338 coding skills, Silencia? Damn. You're the more pro coder. Welcome back, by the way. I'll say to Power. Hello, hello, welcome back. Why is it not buying seeds? I clearly have 0. Mine does not trade. I can see it like it does something, but it won't buy any. What if I go like, what if I make it, what if it's lower or equal to 0? Wait, it cannot be used on the thingamajiggy? Wait, why is that not? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna be smarter here. If no, that should work. I don't understand. Why does that not work? I have 0 seeds. Why isn't it buying more carrot seeds if I have 0 seeds? It's checking. It checks every column. Oh wait, hold on. Is this literally a coding game? It sure is. Power and no, I have not tried Inscription yet. I have not. I've been. I was too busy, too distracted by the most boring farming coding game I could find. Boring if you're not into coding, that is. If you're into coding, this is quite the thrill. Am I right? Quite the thrill indeed. And even if you're into coding, it's even boring. It's perfect for someone who is what's it called? What is it? What is it? What do they call when they like to hurt themselves? what do you call it? What the seas hurt in others? What's the other one? Salutations. Like a dom? No. A masochist and a narcissist or something like that. What's the other one? Masochist and sadist? Oh, sadist as well. That's another one. Can you just cheat by using ChatGPT? I bet you could, Komoko, but that's the whole point, is to think with your brain. Yeah, sadist and a masochist wet dream. This is what this is. Also, caret items.caret underscore seed is the entity type, not its count. You probably need to call a function to get the count of your inventory. What the heck? What? Items. Carrots. Wait, caret. Wait, what am I looking for? If items.caret seed, that is the... Oh, wait, num items. Oh, how much of an item you currently have. Returns the number of the item you currently have. If, here we go. That's what I need. Here we go. If num items. There we go, that's what I needed. I'm surprised that didn't come up with an Arab then. Look at this. Boom! Carrot seed. Carrot. Excellent. Thank you very much. Do I ever need more hay? Oh, no, of course I do need more hay, because some things require hay. Variables. And just generally, I think the seeds cost some hay as well. Okay, so and hay is only growable on the turf type. Okay. Were you struggling to find the word on purpose to hide the fact that you enjoy that type of porn? I just have a bad memory, Homocode. I usually just resort to my bookmark list. I started the game and directly found a bug. You can't unlock new things while the code is running in the background. I mean, isn't it? It's bad practice to unlock new coding features while running code itself. Yes. There's got to be a better way of doing all this, right? Adding like functions and stuff. Oh, functions is not even... Oh, functions is still locked anyway. Oh, okay, I can't even do it anyway. Variables. Assign to variables. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. If ground type is soil, plant carrots. Otherwise, plant grass. Oh, God. Oh, why is it so hard? What do I want to do? What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I'm scared to unlock another thing. Let's get it. Let's get variables. Variables can be thought of as named containers that can hold a value. The equals operator is used to declare a variable and store a value in it. The left-hand side of the operator is the variable name. You can give it any name you want. Okay, I know variables. I'm a big fan of variables. I have a good relationship with variables. I know all the best variables. Believe me. So I'm well versed in variables. You declare them. You can even declare them as the result of a return value of a function. Okay. All right, so this is something I was missing. Variables also let you do the same thing with a while loop. A equals 5, I equals 0. While I is lower than a, do a flip. I equals I plus 1. This does the same thing as the for loop above. We just have to increment I manually. Note that to increment I, we set it to be its own value plus 1. Couldn't you just do I plus plus? Huh? That's a smart move, is it not? Oh no, I mean plus equals. I plus equals. Yeah, I plus plus. I thought, can you do that in C sharp, I think? Don't forget to take a break. This is making your brain work a lot. You probably want to go and put some cold water against your face. That is a good idea, Yoyoto. It's a good idea. It's a smart idea. Might even get a second coffee. Oh, I bought a coffee to drink on the way home after yesterday's road trip, but it was too late at night, and I just had some Indian food, and I didn't feel like drinking like a milky drink because I thought I'd probably throw up. I can't drink like a milky coffee after having like a butter chicken. It's too much. So maybe I'll go and get that right now. It's Komiko, this might excite you. It's Boss Coffee. Huh? Spoiler alert. Very famous in Japan. BRB. Actually, while this is BRB, I may as well get some more stuff. Hee. Grow. Harvest. Oh, what? Oh, no, it's okay. BRB. BRB, everyone. Alright, welcome back. Okay. Mini Squatch, that clip activated your iPad? Did I say the S word? Sorry about that. Isn't the S word supposed to like detect when it's your voice or not? Or is that a different feature that or is that an Android thing? I don't know. Also, did I have the music playing this entire time? Oh, yeah, okay. Also, I hope not. To be honest, I've tried several Boss coffees. Komiko didn't like most. The only one that I could finish was the Boss Rainbow coffee, but even that is too sweet. Oh, the Boss Rainbow one. Yeah, that's the first one I got in Japan, I think, at a vending machine. But I didn't get it this time because it's the same price, but it's smaller, so... Oh, look at this one. I got this one. Ice double espresso. Brewed hot, chilled fast with a dash of milk. #1 canned coffee in Japan. Oof. Hope it's not fizzy. Oh, it reminds you of being in Tokyo. Getting a coffee from the vending machine or something. Teehee. Oh, I miss it. Alright. Hey Chuck Chan, welcome back. Oh, I should undo the pause.
Protect the VIP team.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so I'm gonna do some good stuff, I think. So let's pause here. Okay. What we need is we need to unlock functions at some point, so I can have multiple functions and windows and whatever the hell, but I think what we need to do is actually, I don't know. That was as far as I got. I was like, I'm gonna come back with like full gusto and just like really power through this and do the best thing I can do. But as soon as I finish saying that sentence, I run out of plan. The farm must grow. Yeah, we're working with such a small little square here. Technically, we should be able to expand and speed it up. We got plenty. We got plenty of what's this stuff? Items, currency. Ooh, pumpkins. We need pumpkins as well. Speed up. Okay. Look at this. Now that's satisfying. I don't even know what's happening. Wait, grass can grow on tilled? Oh, wait. Do we ever need turf grass? I don't think so. We just need tilled. Always tilled. The Gregor review of that Boss Coffee gives you the hee-hee of being in Tokyo. We always want till. So. Okay, well. If ground type is... Okay, let's do this. If get ground type equals grounds.turf, then till. Boom. Let's get rid of the other one. Then if you can harvest it, harvest. Okay, well, actually first, that should be first. Whatever's on there, harvest it first. Then, if it's green, make it brown. Then, well, then I don't think we even need this other ground type thing, right? Because it'll always be soil. Till. Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea. Oh boy. Variables. We're gonna be variables. We're gonna do oh gosh. This window is so small. Can I get another window? Like, what happens if I do this? Can I play both of these things at the same time? No, I can only do one at a time. I guess this is if I want to have a alternate thing. If I have functions, I think this will work. But I don't have functions unlocked. I'm going to delete that for now. What I'm going to do is make some variables. Num caret speeds equals no num carrots equals num carrots equals get no items no num items carrot num wood equals num items wood, and num hay equals num items hay. Excuse me. So now, instead of going all this crazy stuff, I just say num hay, num wood, num carrots. Easy peasy. Have I ever played Hacknet, a game where you play as a hacker? Don't you mean real life? But no, I haven't. I have not. Does it also require a lot of coding abilities? Or is it like Hollywood hacking? Now I can say if the number of carrots or should I just call this carrots? Carrots, wood. Make it faster. Carrots, wood, and hay. I wonder if this is bad practice to name variables like this. But basically what I'm trying to do is if the certain number of things is low, then I want to plant that instead. You know what I mean? Or is that unnecessary? Seems unnecessary, actually, now that I think about it. Iron range, get wild size. If can harvest. If the type is ground is green, then you till it. And then if that's great. If carrots is less than, if we have less than 300 carrots, then you plant carrots. Else if. Is else if one word or no? Else if wood is less than 500, plant entities. Oops, forget it's bush. Oh Christ. Else, if all else fails, plant grass. Then you move south. Who recommended this game? Dry Race Girl? AK, who do we blame for this? It was Psychomanity. And Hacknet mimics real life to an extent, but it's made easier to make progress. Oh, is Hacknet... Wait, actually, now that I think about it, is it like... Oh, no, I'm thinking of something else. Oh, no, is it like a really, like, kind of dark with, like, neon colors? Or am I thinking of something else? Am I thinking of, like, Darwin? Can't remember. Oh, no, I think I remember seeing it. Wasn't it a big deal, like, 20 years ago, 15 years ago? On Steam? SuperTux, I just coded exactly that, and it perfectly keeps my items balanced, and I can tell it how much of something I want. SuperTux, are you telling me that you and I had the same exact coding theory and plan? I'm gonna take that as a huge compliment, if that's the case. Error. Oh, whoops. These colons. Do I need a colon off the else? I guess so. Wait, there must be a colon at the end of every code. Oh, is else if not a thing? Else. Oops, what am I doing wrong? Hmm? Oh, elif. Elif. Okay, elif. Elf. Yay. It's not working. Why is it planting grass only? If carrots is... Oh, greater than. Oh, whoops. I'm a dum-dum. Less. Less. There we go. What's happening here? Why is it not planting? Why is it not planting? Oh, where's Lego? You need to hit the hay. Oh! Hit the hay. I see what you did there. Have a good night, where's Lego? Take care. Sleep well. SuperTux, well, for me, it's not a plan anymore. Ouch. It's not a plan for me either. I've already executed this plan perfectly. Wait, why is it not only doing bushes? Am I, because I'm over my allotment of carrots. Wait, I'm confused. Why did it plant? Oh, wait. Oh, because it didn't have enough seeds. Of course. I'm getting... I don't want to be too boastful here, but I think I'm getting pretty damn smart playing this game. I'm understanding things. I can see the lady in the red dress. Carrots, if the carrots is under the 300, and if we have no seeds, buy a seed, plant carrots, else plant wood, else grass. It's never going to plant carrots again because we are over 300 carrots. So we can just upgrade whatever we want. What else can I get with carrots? Speed. Oh yeah, that's right. I can't upgrade while it's playing. Oh wait, I need more carrots. Oh, I see. So this is a ridiculous number then. I want more carrots. Oh hell yeah, look at that. Oh, I'm so good. So smart. I'm so smart. The cat. I can see the carrot in the red dress. In the time Gregor's done this, Tux has already gotten another Factorio world record. A Factorio world record while also getting world records in Replace a Farmer at the same time. And don't show your editor this. Instead of making a book, you're planting fake carrots. Hey, I'm also planting fake bushes and grass. Chuck Chan. I'm solving the digital world food crisis. But no, my agent, I've actually already submitted my proposal to my agent, so it's the ball's in her court. The book's in her library. So I'm waiting for a response. Please respond. Look at me go here. Speed. And then if I go back here and play, it'll be planting carrots. Satisfying. Excellent. Okay. Now what? Well. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. We need those pumpkins eventually. Functions. Use the def keyword to define a new function. Def f. Def f. arg1, arg2 equals false. You can use the call operator brackets to call the function f42. That's a terrible function name. Unlike Python, functions defined in the global scope of any open file can be called by their name, even if the def statement has never been executed. See scopes for more information on this. Scopes is something I had trouble with the StreamBot stuff. I think that took me a while to figure out, or at least work around. You've already seen built-in functions like harvest. You can also define your own functions, which allows structuring your code in a modular way. It basically allows you to give a name to a block of code so you can call it from anywhere you want. Excellent. For example, you could define a function that moves the drone several times. Define move movender ender for I in range and movedir. The def keyword signals that this is a function definition. Movender is the name that the function gets bound to. This can be any valid variable name and will be used to call the function. And endur are parameters. They are variables that hold the values that are passed into the function. These values are also called arguments. You can add as many I sound like SpongeBob. I sound like one of those SpongeBob TTS things. These values are also called arguments. You can parameters or a function definitions you want. After the colon comes a code block that will run... Oh my gosh. With the above definition, the following code then moves the drone 10 tiles north and 2 tiles west. Movender 10 north. Oh yeah. Use the return keyword to make a function return a value. For example, the following function defines the exclusive or operation. The exclusive or returns true if one value is true and the other one is false. Def zor a b, return a is not b. If zor true false, do a flip. Tuples. Tuples are a great way to combine multiple values into a single value. To create a tuple, just separate the values with commas. Tuple 1, 2. You can also unpack into... Oh my god. Let's just go back for a second here. Oh dear! Oh no. Where was I? Functions. Default arguments. You can also assign default values that will be parsed. Oh, they'll be used if no arguments are passed. Def f a equals false. If a, do a flip. F true. An argument that has a default value cannot be followed by an argument that doesn't have a default value. Oh my god. Functions are values just like any other value, and if the def statement just acts like an assignment statement assigning the function to whatever name you give it, this allows doing things like this. Def f, def d, do a flip, return d. Huh? F with the two bracket circles? I don't know. The double brackets? What the heck? Here f pulls the function f, which defines and returns a new function of d. The second bracket then executes the return function and performs flip. Yo, Chuck Chan, congrats on your second spider. While alive, suffer. Firefly, this game kind of reminds you of While True, Learn. Oh, it's what's it called? Deceptively complicated. It looks simple, but then it really isn't. Supertux, okay, my solution was a bit different than Gregor's, so instead of planting grass, I just tilled the ground back to turf, but I guess there are multiple solutions. Oh, I see. Because if it's turf, it automatically grows grass. After playing this, you better come out as a god in programming. That's the goal. A very reasonable one, I'm sure. You call f with f bracket, and then f returns a function, so you call the thing that f returns with f bracket. Easy. Okay. Well, let's see. We're planting grass now because... Well, hay, rather. Because, we are over our allotment of carrots and wood that we need. Sweet. I'm just gonna upgrade a little bit here. Just so we can get bigger numbers faster. And, oh, here are trees. Oh, we haven't even unlocked trees yet? Wait, what do trees bring? Surely trees just bring logs. Cacti? Dinosaurs? What is happening here? Maze? With a treasure in the middle? Polyculture? Dictionaries? Pumpkins. Utilities. Oh, that looks difficult. Okay, well, let's make this... I don't know what I'm doing here. Stop for a second. We need pumpkins to expand the farm bigger. Hey, Anuia. What do I want to do? Wait, why is it not getting me more carrots? If carrots is... Oh, whoops. No, I want 1,000 carrots, not 600, not 100 carrots. One more carrots. Extreme activity game equals difficult, rage quit, else keep playing. I intend on becoming the ultimate farmer here. I'm gonna 100%, no, 200% complete this game. And I'm gonna beat Super Tux to it as well. Gonna beat Super Tux to finishing this game. If there even is an end. I don't think there is an end. This looks complicated? Yes. I mean, it depends on how well versed you are in coding. But yes, it's extremely complicated. I don't think I'm doing an A-okay job. I just don't understand. How can I be better? We need... What are the plants to make them grow faster? Carrots. Pumpkins. Well, we can get pumpkins. I've unlocked pumpkins. Oh no, I can't. I need more wood. Okay, let's just keep getting more wood then. Gregor says the last stream was ASMR-ish, but this is the one putting everyone to sleep. Oh. Okay. It's not fair that you guys get to sleep while I'm using my brain. Overusing my brain. Okay, I think what we need to do, I think we should start using functions. And then we can make this more cool. Oh, maybe not. Gosh, I didn't know where to go. Oh. Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Seeing Gregor code makes me feel better about my own skills. I aim to please. What the hell do I do? I guess I'll get pumpkins. Pumpkins grow like carrots on tilled soil. They require pumpkin seeds to be planted, which costs 1 carrot each. When all the pumpkins in a field are fully grown, they grow together to form a giant pumpkin. Well, here we go. Here's something interesting. The yield of a giant pumpkin is the cubed side length of the pumpkin. A 2x2 pumpkin yields 2x2x2 equals 8 pumpkins instead of 4. Okay. It's a good idea to get the pumpkins as big as possible before harvesting. The problem is that about 1 in 5 pumpkins will die before they grow up. This means that even if you plant a pumpkin on every tile in a square, one of the pumpkins may die and prevent the mega pumpkin from growing. A pumpkin that dies will simply disappear so you can plant a new one. Oh, okay. Okay. Interesting. How the hell am I supposed to use this to my advantage? And instead of just planting everything as a pumpkin. Huh? Wait. Oh dear, what's happened? Oh, I see. I can't... Oh, this is an interesting problem. I've said, keep planting carrots as long as I have less than 1,000 carrots, which I do. But I can't because I need to buy a carrot seed to plant a carrot, and I can't buy carrot seeds because I have no more wood and hay. Interesting. I've effed myself. I've functioned myself. Hey, Kitty Rolls. Welcome back. When life gives you lemons, make more efficient code. Dog grass. I gotta plant some grass. If anything, I should have done this the opposite way around. I should have said, if hay is less, or if hay is less than a certain amount, make sure we have enough hay. Then focus on the wood, and then focus on the carrots. Right. Okay, well, let's just do that. If hay... Oh, this is... I wonder if I could be smarter about this. I wonder if I could make this a function and be like... Def... Oh, Christ, what was it? Error. Hold on, I'm not even finished yet. Def... what the hell is X or... Define... Plant... Oh no, get, no, plant this. No, plant this. And this will be, number and thing. Okay, and then it'll be, if Is this a game with Steam? It is. It is, the farmer was replaced. The artist was replaced. I'm trying to be efficient and cool here. So I want to be like, hey, instead of typing all of this stuff out. Nah, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Screw this. If A is less than 2,000, then you plant grass. If elif, actually, here and here. Okay. If wood is less than 2,000, plant wood. If carrots is less than 2,000, plant carrots. Don't mix tabs and spaces. Oh, whoops. Oof. Wait, I'm not. Wait, am I? I didn't mean to. There we go. Okay. Makes sense. So it's going to focus on hay, then it's going to focus on wood, then it's going to focus on carrots.
My name is...
As it should. Exo Clara. Hello, welcome. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Software and game development, eh? How was your stream? Hey, noob inside. Were you programming? If so, you have just downgraded by joining this joining this stream. Because, this is it's not gonna be pretty. Eli the Silly. Hello, hello. A programmer raid. Please do not judge. Don't judge me. Don't judge me here. Please do not judge. If the code works, it's fine. I don't even know. Technically works, I think. But it needs to be better. Watering. Plants grow faster when they're watered. Wow, this is a really efficient farm. I haven't even used a single drop of water yet. The ground has a water level ranging from 0 to 1. The function get water returns the water level of the ground it's over. The growth speed of a plant growing on tilled soil grows linearly from 1 times speed at water level 0 to 5 times speed at water level 1. Watering only affects plants growing on tilled soil, so it doesn't have any effect on plants growing on turf. Turf is the green one, by the way. So this is all tilled. Soil dries up over time. The water loses 1% of its current water every now and then. Keeping the water level high will consume much more water than keeping it low. You can use water tanks to water your plants. You can purchase empty tanks with wood using trade items empty tank. A tank can hold 0.25 water. Tanks fill up automatically. The fill rate is 0.5% of the number of empty tanks per second. So if you have 100 empty tanks, one of them will fill every 2 seconds. We'll use items water tank over any ground to empty a tank and water the ground. I'm having a brain aneurysm. I can feel it. I can feel my brain clenching. I don't think it's good for it. Supertux. I just figured out watering. Damn it, Supertux. God damn it! Oh, God. You know what? If this was real life, I would just be like, I'm happy with this. I am a hay, wood, carrot farmer exclusively. I don't want to get in over my head here. I'm happy with this. If this provides enough food for me and my cats and maybe Lee as well, I'm happy. I am content with this. I'm not a greedy farmer. Also, doesn't this really shows off the way I live my life when it comes to-do lists and things I want to get done, but I kind of put to the side and will focus on later, like my inbox, my email inbox. Look at all these different tabs I have open here. Pumpkins? Like, pumpkins? Remember that? Now I've got... I still have carrots here for some reason. I don't even need carrots up there. Functions that I haven't used yet. What's this one? Let me make this smaller. This one is watering. This one is senses. And this is pumpkins. I haven't really utilized any of these yet. Maybe Feedly as well. The sass, the absolute sass, disrespect. He's gonna cut your chicken. I'm sure I'll code up a function for it. Def strip chicken. If chicken not naked, strip. I don't need to speed up the drone, because the drone is fast enough as it is. It's more like it's just waiting for things to grow. I guess I could water it then, but... oh boy. Alright, time for me to get out of here. Hope you're having fun with the coding. Psychomanity. Psychomanity just lit the fuse and is leaving the crime scene. Thank you for adding that quote, Dry Race Go. Have a good night, Psychomanity. I don't even know how you can sleep at night with the amount of guilt you should be feeling on your head for putting me in this situation. This game is refreshingly small, download in seconds. Oh yeah, I don't even know. This must be like 2 megabytes, I think. I don't know how big this game is. It's about as big as a virus. I don't know what to do now. I don't have that Factorio brain. I guess I should start planting pumpkins. I think that's what the game wants me to do. I don't even know if I should, if I can be bothered with trying to figure out the mega pumpkins. I'll just have it plant them and hope for the best. If hay, if carrots, else if pumpkins. If pumpkins is less than, actually, else if just plant, right? Else if, I don't know, I may as well. Also, pumpkins is less than 100. Then plant entities pumpkin. And I haven't defined the pumpkin variable. Num items pumpkin. And I think you need to get a seed for that. Yes, and it costs 1 carrot each. So if I have no seeds, pumpkin seeds, then please buy a pumpkin seed. There we go. It's gonna be a while, because it's gonna have to have 2,000 woods before it even gets to the pumpkins. Before it even gets to the carrots. Let's make this 1,000 wood. Otherwise, we'll be here all day. Psychomanity. I sleep in a big comfy bed with sweet dreams. Is that a Simpson reference? This must be more interesting than learning programming from a book. Those books are so dry. Yeah, I would have. I wish I had this game when I was in high school. I think if I had this game growing up in high school, I'd be like, I don't know. Probably be in the same situation as I am now, except not playing this game anymore because I would have finished it, and maybe my overlay would be running slightly more efficiently. Yeah, exactly. I sleep in a race car bed, do you? I sleep in a big bed with my wife. Oh, okay, now it's gonna focus on carrots. Oh! This is an interesting turn of events. It's never gonna get the pumpkins because every time it plants a carrot, it buys a carrot seed, which lowers the amount of wood I have, which means it has to plant more wood. Oh my god, and now it's planting grass? We're never gonna get anywhere. Oh, pumpkins are... Wait, now we got pumpkins? Huge pumpkins! Massive! I see. So it's probably like... It'd be great if it didn't harvest the pumpkin until the mega pumpkin had finished being planted. Is there a way to, like... I have no idea. It's going good enough. The problem with this game, though, is you don't only learn how to code, you also learn all the farming stuff. You're learning 2 skills at once. Now I know how to code and how to plant imaginary digital pumpkins. Why is there nothing? Oh god, I've screwed myself again, haven't I? I think it's because it's... What's happening here? Wait, why doesn't it do anything? Oh, because it's got everything. Okay. There's no else. I need to actually spend stuff to make more stuff happen. Well, let's expand. Oh, wait. No, let's get more pumpkins. What am I doing? I need more pumpkins. I need to get more pumpkins to, Oh, that's unsatisfying. It's just not letting me make the mega pumpkin. It's a good idea to get the pumpkins as big as possible before harvesting. Well, how the heck am I supposed to even figure that out? Seems to be doing alright. Expand. Boof! Massive! 5 by 5 now. That's how you do it, kitty rolls. I think the next expansion, I need 500 pumpkins. Oh, is there a way to code in a pause or break to allow for a longer growing period for the pumpkins? Yeah. Let's see. Get entity type. I guess if we could see, like, if the thing that the drone is hovering over is a pumpkin, can it figure out at what point is it harvestable? Because technically they can be harvested anytime when it's a pumpkin, right? But I wanted to wait until... let's see, is there some more information? Get... Here we go, something here. Here's something. When you harvest a pumpkin, you get items of pumpkin equal to the number of pumpkins in the Mega Pumpkin cubed. No, that's nothing. That's nothing. We don't need that. There's something... Chuck-chan, off to bed. Have a good night, Chuck-chan. Senses? Entity type? How can you sense the pumpkin? If can harvest. Well, if I say if it's harvestable, and if get entity type equals entity's pumpkin, then do a flip before you harvest. So that gives you some more time. Oh, with the brackets. Technically, it'll give it more time to grow. See what I'm saying? Although I wanted to grow pumpkins in every available slot before harvesting. Okay, hold on. Let's do this first. So if the ground type is green, make it tilde. If it can harvest, no, if I want to see if it has nothing on it, it should plant something. If get entity type equals none, then then okay. I bet you're wondering, what the hell is fplant? Well, fplant is going to be a function. Def fplant. And that's going to have all this stuff in it. So, oops, sorry. How do I make this? A bracket open is expected here. Oh, whoops. Define fplant. Fplant is the function. So then over here, I'll be like, if there's nothing on the ground, do this. But would you want the fplant just be a pumpkin? Well, I guess it depends. Depends. I like kind of that it gets things that it needs to get. And Leroyski, is that your first spider? Oh my goodness. Congrats. Wait, no. Wait, how does that work? Oh no, the spider ran away, but Leroyski found the spider? The spider's still kind of broken? Here I am trying to fix an imaginary farm. Meanwhile, the real spider hunt game is on fire. One thing at a time. Gosh. I don't even know what... Let me... Does this... Gosh, this is getting really long, huh? You accidentally type load WAP into your spreadsheet? You gotta pack your load WAP. 5 pairs of load WAP. I don't like this flip thing. This flip thing... Get entity type. If can harvest, if it's a... I'm gonna get rid of that. This is no good. This is no good. It's not letting the mega pumpkins grow. You know what would be great? It's like, if we're doing pumpkins, I want everything else to be like, we're not doing anything else but pumpkins until the whole grid is pumpkins. Then harvest that. And then check again, like, okay, now what do we do? What do we need? Do we need hay? Do we need wood? What's going on? But if we start planting pumpkins, it's like, only pumpkins. But I don't even know how to even begin with that. Also, oh my god, it's already almost lunchtime? Wow. Wow, this was a very unproductive stream. I feel like... It still feels like I'm in the tutorial of this game. I mean, we're getting somewhere. I mean, it looks like we've done half of the talent tree, I suppose. This really feels like going to the gym, but for my brain. My brain is working out and sweating. I also feel like it's harder to be a coding genius while you're streaming. All these, you know, there's at least like 3 of you watching the stream at the moment that aren't already asleep. And that's like probably six eyes. 3 pairs of eyes. That's a lot of pressure. You're so invested, Firefly? Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm glad that you are. It's a fun stream. Thank you, Noob Inside. I would love to impress you all with my future farm skills. If no, I've reached the ceiling in my brain, and I guess it's the skull. It's I'm touching the skull. I've reached the skull. I can't think any further. I have big dreams, but I don't even know where to begin. Like, I think there's something to it that if we start growing pumpkins, it should be like, let's pause everything else, only focus on pumpkins, and then once every plot is harvestable and is a pumpkin, then we harvest that mega pumpkin. Start from the beginning? Well, technically I could. I could move this thing over here and then like minimize this one and just start again. And I only use this thing. So that's true. It makes it a bit less confusing looking. But okay, well let's try something. Let me try what I just said, but I'll convert it into Python. So what we would need to do is if get entity type equals what is it? Entities pumpkin. And do we have and operators? Do we have and? Do we have an if and? I don't think. Oh, actually, I don't think we do. Can we have multiple conditions? I don't think so. Okay, well that's fine. We can just go if that, and then inside of that, if that what's it called? The harvest one? Can harvest. If can harvest. Then no, that doesn't really make any sense, does it? You just started the game yourself, but you'll refrain until after the stream, Andrea? Yeah, you want to learn from the master as much as possible, I see. Firefly, that's why I was thinking if the F plant was just focused on the pumpkins, that would trigger that over the other plantings. Oh, I see. The F plant was... Oh, I see. If we make a... I see. If we define a function that is just pumpkins... Right. Okay, well, let me write this down for a second. What I want to do is check if a pumpkin exists on the farm. Then, if so, make sure every tile is pumpkin. Or harvest it and plant pumpkin instead. Then, if all tiles are pumpkin and harvestable, only then should you harvest the mega pumpkin. That's the goal. So first we have to check So if there is a single pumpkin, then it's like pumpkin mode. So, okay, if get entity type on this one square is pumpkin, then you're like, okay, great. Now what? Oh, Dry Raisel, when I was in kindergarten, I got made fun of for writing I love mom, dad instead of I love mom and dad. I was a coding prodigy all along and I just didn't realize. Oh, how'd you get made fun of that? Kindergarten, I love mom, dad. Also, it's who made fun of you for writing that? Hopefully it wasn't your mom and dad. That would be brutal. That would be at least 10 therapy sessions. It was the other 6-year-olds. That makes it a bit more reasonable. They're pretty smug for 6-year-olds. I say, you forgot to include the word "and" in your sentence? What a bumbling fool. There's all point and laugh. Ha ha ha. Ha and ha and ha. What is that? What do I wrote down what I want to do. I want to do this. Check if a pumpkin exists in the farm. If so, go through every tile and make sure they're all pumpkins. How the heck do I do it? It's something to do with, I think this part, it's like getting me. The world size stuff. For eye and range, move. Okay, then screw that. For eye and range, get world size. Okay. Check if the pumpkin exists. If get. Sorry, I shouldn't have deleted the thing I got before. Get entity type. If get entity type equals, not equals, entities dot pumpkin, then plant entities pumpkin. And then you move south. You move down the column. And then after that's done, you move east. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Oh, it doesn't, I need pumpkin seeds. Okay, well, let's see. Plant pumpkin. I need pumpkin seeds. If I don't have any seeds, get a seed. Okay. Yo, fire with that spider. Why doesn't it work again? Why isn't it? Oh, we don't have a while. Okay, while true. Oh, lordy. There we go. Mega pumpkin. Mega pumpkin. It's so square. Okay, well then. Now we need to figure out if every tile is a pumpkin and harvestable, then and only then harvest. Looks like a pie. Pumpkin pie, maybe? Why does it look like a yummy butter cookie? I mean, I totally understand the dilemma that the developer had with this. Because I bet the original concept was that it would be like a gigantic pumpkin. Like same shape, but really round. And then they probably realized that if it's a huge pumpkin like that, it's going to be so tall you can't see what's behind it. So I had to make it flat, and then it just looks really strange. I think we're getting somewhere. So so this is give one side, move south, move east. Okay, so that's like it's doing that while true. Reminds me of a Cheez-It. You got a giant pumpkin in Stardew Valley. It's beautiful. How giant is the pumpkin in Stardew Valley? Is it about how big is a giant pumpkin? I'd love to try and get my pumpkin function. I'd love to get that working before we end the stream. Then that way I feel like we've at least ended on a satisfying note. Iron range. So what this has done is that it makes sure everything is a pumpkin. Now I need to see if every tile. I think it's the while loop. I think is needs an upgrade. How do I make sure? How can I make it go through the entire farm? Okay, Superdux, I just had an idea that I think is going to make you cringe if I try and describe what I'm thinking right now. Here's an idea. First, I'm going to find the world size. So I'm going to make it a variable. I'm going to say farm size equals get world size. Okay, so farm size. That's the total number. Then, oh wait, does that work? I was gonna make it like it'll count up how many tiles it scans, and if that number matches the world size, then it'll be like I scanned the entire thing. But oh, get position. Oh, the position one. Hold on. The position. What was it? Senses? No, not senses. Where was it? Get pos. Here we go. Can I move it as well? Oh, can I move it to a direction? Can I move it to the actual, like, position? Get pos x. Okay, well, hold on. Get pos x. Get pos x. If wait. Fire amount, scan amount. If get pos x equals 0, if pos x equals 0 and pos y as well, I want if get pos y equals 0, then scan amount equals 0. Oh wait, I need colons. Oops. Oh Jesus Christ. Okay, so if it, oops, if it detects it's at the top corner, top left corner of the farm, so it begins the scan, it'll reset the scan amount to 0. Then every time it moves, every time it moves south, wait, scan amount. Oh wait, hold on. Scan current. Okay, so scan amount. Oh, this is silly. Wait, what am I doing? Farm amount is get world size to the power of 2. Does that work? I wonder if I have to do this in a bracket or something. So then it's like, okay, if it's 5 by 5, it's actually 25. Wait, 4 by 4 is 16. Oh wait, what? Because it starts at 0. Jesus Christ. Get world size. Returns the side length of the grid in the north to south direction. Because if it's, yeah, but then if it's 4 times 4, it's 16. That's not 16 tiles. Wait, scan amount is plus 1. No. wait. Plus 1 times to the power of 2. Okay, farm amount. So currently it's 5 by 5 squares, but the world size is 4 because it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll go 4 plus 1, that's 5. Then power to 2. So the farm amount is 25 now. Should be. Can I? 36? What the hell? Oh. Oh, the position is 0 to 4, but the size is 5. Oh, okay. Never mind. I don't have to do that. 25. Okay, sweet. So the farm amount is 25. Scan current is 0 by default. If wait, this should not be here, should it? This should be outside of the loop. If the position is 0 and the Y position is 0, so it's in the top left corner, scan amount, I don't even have that anymore. Scan current is 0. Then for I, you add wait, how do I do plus? I feel like I'm getting somewhere. Plus equals 1. So every time it moves south, it adds scan current plus 1. Every time it moves east, oh, I don't even need to do that anymore. Okay, whatever. Let's see what happens. There's so many things here. I can't even see what the farm. So scan current is 70. 91. Okay, hold on. It's just continuously adding. I needed to... Wait, why doesn't it reset once it gets to position 0? Oh, it is. No. Hold on. Unlock debug. Tools to help with everything. Debug. Here we go. Sometimes your code just doesn't work and you need to find out why. There are a couple tools to help you do that. First is to execute the program step by step. You can... Oh, I don't want to do that. Print! That's what I need. I need print. Print scan current. Where's print? Why can't I see print? Oh, oh, that's interesting. Is that the the number here? The smoke effect? Wait, that doesn't sound right. What is this smoke effect? Output page. Oh, output page. Wait, hold on. Let's go print scan current equals. Oh, I can't use a plus in the print. Squeeze me? Why does that not work? Oh, a comma. I need a comma instead. And then where's my... Oh, that's so crazy, that little smoke effect. What a strange way of showing it, but kind of cool. It's like the exhaust of the drone. That smoke is the print. Interesting. So scan current is... So technically... Oh wait, no, this is confusing. I can't tell the way it's moving. It's going all the way to left and right. It should be resetting once it reaches 0. Why doesn't it reach 0? I'm gonna make it print plus x equals get plus x. Why is pos x always 1? Wait, now it's 2. Huh? Oh, okay. No, that makes sense. Oh! Super Tux? Wait, who told me that it starts from 0? It does not start from 0, does it? It starts from 1. That's why. Wait, no, does it? Hold on. Maybe I should check. Senses. Where is it? Sense. Senses. No. Move. Where's move? No. Get pos x. Oh, it starts with 0. Oh, it does start with 0. Why does it start with 0? Wait, maybe I should just keep playing the code and see what happens. Because right now it's in 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Oh no, it does start with 0. I just have to keep going for it. Look at this. Okay, and now it should be pos x equals 0. Now. Oh, scroll down. Yay, okay. Okay, well, what's the problem then? Oops. Get pos y. Oh, misspelling. So position x 0 and pos y is 4. Yeah. I don't like that this doesn't automatically stay to the bottom of the output. So when pos x and pos y are both 0, the scan current should reset to 0. Is that what's happening right here? Or at least resets to 1. But it doesn't. Look at this. Plus. Oh, wait, they're never 0 at the same time. Wait. Position X and position Y can never be 0 at the same time? What is happening? Position X. Oh, no, there it is. Oh, wait. Oh, it literally just fixed. It just got to it. I'm just too fast. I'm getting ahead of myself. So this does work. So once it finishes the grid, it changes the scan current back to 0. Or 1, rather. That way. Wait, what was the point of this again? That way, the point of this is that I want to make sure that it scans a whole farm fresh. Oh, I can make this easier. I can make it so that if that make it go print reset. It should say reset once it's done. Oh no, that's because scan current is never 0. Scan current 1. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. Oh my goodness, I forgot that this is supposed to be 0. Gosh. Here we go. Okay, now at least I know it says I'll say grid checked. So every time it finishes the entire farm scan, it'll be like, wait, why doesn't it work anymore? Scan current just keeps going up and up and up. Why doesn't it? Why? Oh, huh? I'm confused. Wait, how do I wanted to move to the beginning. You know what? I'm gonna make a new function here. I'm gonna call it def reset position, reset pos. For I in range get world size. I don't know. I don't know. Oh gosh. You can also use the breakpoints, then it pauses automatically and you can check the values of the variables so the drone will stay where it is. Oh, I see. He discovered print, he can finally debug it like it's his overlay. Yeah, I need print's my baby. I love print. Or send to chat. Send message to chat. Sometimes I use the chat as my debug as well when fixing the overlay. Your code broke when you expanded your farm because I didn't handle grass in a certain case? What a noob, SuperTux. Jeez Louise. Let me know if you ever need any help with the coding. I can't even figure out how to make it reset the position. While get plus x how does while work again? While get plus x is larger than 0, move west. Okay, I'm gonna make this another window, because I honestly I'm at the end of my wits here. Close this, close this, close this. I'll just define a... Okay, hold on. Oh, Christ! Reset plus. Error. Trying to use... Huh? Trying to use greater than on the function. This is the function object itself, not the function's return value. Did you mean to call the function with the call operator? Oh. Okay, hold on. While get plus y is greater than 0, move north. No. Wait, is that... Oh, is south the beginning? Oh, okay. Oh my god, I think this is the smartest thing I've done this whole stream. I've made a function of it resetting its position. So here we go. I'll put that there. Sweet. So we reset the position. I think. No. Reset position. Reset position, and then get rid of this. Don't need this. But I in range, get world size. If we don't even need that. Oh no, do we need this? Well, true. This is not letting me escape the loop here. I don't want this to be a loop right now. Screw that. Oh no, it has to be a loop. Whoops. Oh no, this is good. Okay, so when I run this thing, it first resets the position. It goes to the 0, 0. Then it gets into this loop thingy here. Okay. So now what I want to do, I want to make sure that once it's finished scanning everything, then harvest. So while scan current is less than farm amount, because remember the things we defined, the variables we defined up here. While scan current is less than farm amount, keep doing this. Oh my god, we're getting somewhere. Look at that. It'll do it, and then I guess once it's achieved its goal of scanning the entire farm, it stops. Oh my god. Now what? If get entity, if it's a pump, if every square, if a square is a pumpkin. Oh, if a square is not a pumpkin, plant the seed. Continue. Okay. Now that everything is pumpkin and everything needs to be harvestable. No, I don't know. Again, I think I'm reaching the limits of my brain here. I've done something here. I think this is pretty cool, but I don't know what else to do. I don't know. This is nuts. Now I need to figure out how long to wait until it's time to harvest. I guess I want to make sure it scans everything, and then once every square is harvestable, then harvest. But I think this thing I'm not using. I made 4 eye in range, but I don't even know what. I'm not using eye anywhere. If not, that just plants everything. And then once it's done, it finishes. Does that mean if I go print done here, it only does the print once it's finished? Awesome. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. If that means once that's done, then we harvest, I guess, right? Harvest. Is that nuts? Is that nuts? Oh, no. That doesn't check if it's all harvestable, though. That just makes sure everything is... Oh, okay, hold on. Let's make another... Sorry. Plant pumpkins is this. And then we'll do another function. Now define plant pumpkins. Return. We need to do a return here. Use the return keyword to make a function return a value. For example, the following function defines the exclusive operation. The exclusive or returns true. If one value is true, then the other one is false. What the hell does that mean? If define XOR AB, return A is not B. Huh? Huh? I think I need to add some sort of argument here or some sort of return. Once this is done, I guess we say return true? True? Return true. And then we'll do plant pumpkins, and then if that's true, then we... Okay, oh here we go. plant pumpkins. True. Then harvest. Huh? Error. Trying to create a local variable with the name scan current. Scan current already exists in an outer scope. Having two variables with the same name is usually a bad idea. Read about scopes. Oh, I'll leave that up that inside here. Error. Plant pumpkins takes 0 arguments. False. Takes 1 arguments. Well, what do you want from me? Everything pumpkin equals false. Everything pumpkin equals true. If true, huh? Wait, if the drone moves through the entire farmland, does that equal the time needed to get a mega pumpkin? Well, I'm not sure. It depends, I guess, because sometimes pumpkins can fail and die. So what I'm trying to do is making sure that every tile is a pumpkin and harvestable, and only then, when those 2 conditions are met, then harvest. Hey, Yahan. Welcome back. So what I've done here, I've got 2 functions. I got a reset position, which just resets it to 0, 0, the drone. Then I got another function called plant pumpkins. First, it figures out how big the farm is. And then it scans every tile in the farm. And if it's not a pumpkin, plant a pumpkin. Oh, but nothing is... Oh, I need to make sure it's harvestable, though. Oh, I see. This is silly. Hey, Nitro as well. Oh, I thought the fail was to trigger the mega pumpkins, not the initial planting. That makes more sense. Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember now. I can't remember. I don't know. This is not good. This is not good. Plant pumpkins. Scan current. God. All this does is plant the pumpkins. I haven't even checked if it's harvestable yet. If Christ. All this does is reset the position and then plant pumpkins. Now, I need to do one that checks if the pumpkins are all ready. That seems like a lot of duplicate code, though. If I make check pumpkins, if they make another function called check pumpkins, same thing, except this time, if can harvest, then Then move south and add 1 to the scan current total. Oh my god. You don't really need to check if it's harvestable. If it's a mega pumpkin, the whole thing will be harvestable. And the time you need to scan if everything is a pumpkin is plenty to make it grow together. If it's a mega pumpkin, the whole thing will be harvestable. But the pumpkins are all harvestable no matter what size they're at, right? I mean, like this tile over here, like any of these tiles is harvestable, but even if it was a small pumpkin, that would also be harvestable, right? Which I guess kind of goes against... But if every tile was harvestable, then it means they've all combined into a mega pumpkin. But yeah, I don't know, maybe that's not even... So that's not necessary? If you check if everything is a pumpkin, it's already grown together. But could it not be... But what if it's still in the process of growing into a pumpkin? Oh, but you're saying that that'll never be slow enough that the whole thing isn't a giant pumpkin. Is that what you're saying? So is this all I need to do? Is this all I need to do? Let's try this again. See, oh, that's a see, some of them die. That's a problem. Look at that. It wasn't able to harvest the entire thing because some of them died and didn't complete the giant pumpkin. You know? I need to do the checking in the loop. This is bad code. At least I think I'm good enough at coding to tell that this is bad code. That's something, right? That's at least something. Hey, Ping Hyan. Oh my god, it's 12:43 p.m. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, what the hell? I thought it was like 10 past 12. Okay, I gotta get out of here. This is a nightmare. This is a nightmare. God damn. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Psychomanity, for wasting all of our time. We have to leave. I am so late. Oh my god. Wait, I wonder if let's leave here. Hey, are you home? Oh, okay. I'm gonna end now. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Lee's gonna kill me. I'm so late for lunch. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. This has been a disaster. Goodbye. Here we go. Here we go. What's for lunch? Not sure. Maybe my leftover butter chicken from last night's dinner. Could be that. This has been one heck of a stream. A very unique one, because we're never going to do this again. No way. No way. No way, no way, no way. But I am keen, like, I think it's good training. I'd love to figure this out, because I think if I can figure out this farm thing, I think it'll help me with, like, future coding. But, I'm not sure if, I don't know if I'll subject you guys to that ever again. Not sure. Goodbye, though. Oh, wrong button. No, not wrong button. I don't, sometimes that doesn't work. There we go. Oh, why not? I want to see more Mega Pumpkins. Oh, thank you, you guys. You guys are too kind. You guys are far too kind. Thank you so much, though. I'm glad that it was enjoyable for some of you. That makes me happy to see. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Not sure what we'll be streaming. I don't know. And we're gonna also end on a raid. So stick around for that. Get some extra channel points. But who to raid? Ooh. Someone else in the farmer? To replace a farmer? Wait, I can't even. A farmer was replaced. No, I'm the only stream that's streaming this game right now. The only one. Unique. Okay, I can't think who to... Oh, geez, I don't know. I have no idea.